labels to all our notes, we just go into the Farmable app. You can come up to farm settings in the top right hand corner. If we scroll down our options here, we can see labels at the bottom. You can add a label for whatever you wanted. Broken fence posts, pest diseases, we could say a dead tree, and just save that. So once you've created labels, you want to label notes under. You can go back. Now when you're creating a note, you can take a note like normal. You'll see down the bottom here we can label it. So you can then get the option to put this note, make it one of our pest notes, or whatever you want it to be. The other way you can also see when you go into notes that you'll see you can filter here via what type of label. So if we just wanted to see our pest notes, we've got no pest notes, we can see any sprinkler check notes, trap sites, and they'll all be labeled under the same heading so you can find them easier.